everybody, today I will be showing you how to screen record on Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future. This tutorial uses QuickTime Player, which is a built-in feature to Mac computers that lets you record the screen, audio, or yourself. All you have to do is go into the Launchpad and it is there. There are other ways to record the screen, but this is the easiest and cheapest way, and works just as well as other screen recorders. First, you will need to open QuickTime Player. Once it is open, something will pop up asking where you want to save your recording. Once you have selected a spot to save the recording, click Done. Now click where it says File in the menu bar and click New Screen Recording. The recording tool will pop up, so click the Record button. It will tell you to click to record the full screen or drag to record only part of the screen, so do one of those options and the screen recording will start. To stop the recording, click the Stop button in the right of the menu bar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below.